Hello, FRM candidates. My name is Clay Carter, and I am a senior content developer here at Bionic Turtle. I've had the pleasure of passing the CFA, FRM, CAIA, and CIPM exams over the years. Today, I want to share some essential tips on how to prepare for the FRM exam. These tips will help you reduce stress and help you be as prepared as possible when exam day arrives. Before exam day, remember to review your practice exams, especially the questions you missed. Make sure you know the tricks that caused you to make a mistake the first time. And remember, practice exams and practice problems are your best form of review. Secondly, know exactly where your exam will take place. Visit the exam site before the day of the exam. This visit will make you familiar with the location and logistics. And it's one less stressful thing to worry about on exam day. Lastly, ensure you have your ID and other required items ready the night before the exam. If you're using a driver's license, remember it must be issued by the same country where you're taking the exam. Also, double check that the name on your identification exactly matches the name on your exam ticket or confirmation email. On the day of the exam, on the morning of the exam, be sure to eat a nutritious meal that includes fruits and lean proteins. This will help keep your energy levels stable throughout the exam. Secondly, while many suggest staying hydrated, I personally chose to avoid drinking too much water before the exam to minimize my bathroom breaks. But make your own decision on this one based on what you think will make you most comfortable. Third, be sure to arrive early to the exam. Give yourself an extra 30 minutes to get to the exam site. This will help you avoid any unexpected delays and reduce stress because you don't want more stress on an already stressful day. The fourth thing here is be sure to wear comfortable clothing to ensure that you're not distracted by physical discomfort. I recommend bringing a light jacket and socks, even if it's warm outside, because exam rooms can be cold. If you're like me, I usually wear sandals on exam day, but consider bringing or wearing socks with your sandals no matter how it looks, because you don't want your toes being cold while you're trying to take an exam. Things you need to bring to the exam. Be sure to bring your ID, as we discussed earlier, and print out your exam appointment information so you have a hard copy. Remember to bring your approved exam calculator. Check the FRM guidelines beforehand, as they can change. You should also know that there are some things you cannot bring to the exam, and this includes pens or writing instruments, any form of clock or technology. So if you have a smartwatch, you can't bring that. And baggage or study materials are also prohibited in the exam room. So be sure to leave those behind. By following these tips, you can approach your FRM exam with confidence, knowing you're well prepared. Good luck to all of you, and let us know how you do. I know there are a lot of nerves going into exam day, but remember that exam day is exciting and is where all your hard work will finally pay off. I know you've prepared well and you have the knowledge and skills to succeed. Stay focused, stay calm, and give it your best shot. Good luck. And after the exam, please don't forget to let us know how you did. Share your experience with us on social media or reach out to us directly. We always love hearing from our students and celebrating their successes. Good luck.